We've added two new built-ins in Stella version 3.5 and I wanted to briefly show you what they are and how they could be used. The first is called software version, and it really just returns the version of the software in a slightly different format so that it's increasing as the software version increases. It would be 3.05 for version 3.5, which is this current release. And I've got an equation here that says if time is less than stop time 999, otherwise that minus 100, and I've added a event to this to put up a message if it's below 6, so before software version 6, which would be 3.6, which obviously this is. And if we run this model, we will see at the end of it that we get a message saying the version of the software is too old. The second function that we've added is called matrix invert. And that just is really what it is. Matrix invert, it takes a matrix, which needs to be a two-dimensional matrix that's square. And then this will be prototypical. At 1 and at 2 are array dimensions that are indicated. And then we can use its inverse in computing that. This is a little input-output model. The first of these is an iterative. You can study it if you want. The second one uses the matrix inverse for the formal solution, and they give the same result as you can see here.